Hello and welcome to Season 2 of Unity Noob to Pro. It is now a new beginning, and we have rebranded. Yes. And by rebrand, I mean we literally just took out the word journey and apostrophe S, and it's Unity Noob to Unity Pro. Because, well, that Unity Noob's journey, that's a freaking mouthful. So I, didn't feel like doing that anymore. So here we are, rebranded. We're new. We're brand new. So before we begin our new game, we are going to enter the planning phase. So let's get there to the planning phase, and let's get to planning. All right. So here in the planning phase, don't worry about the handwriting or the mouse writing. All right. So first off, it's going to be a 2D game. There we go. That's 2D. It's going to be. See, it's gonna be a platformer, I think. So we're gonna say platformer. Yeah, that looks good. Platformer. That looks like a platformer, doesn't it? All right. Next up, we have let's see, we got the type. I guess it is. I'm gonna aim for let's see. I'm gonna want. All right. So number. And that's going to equal, see, I want a main menu, so that's 1. And at least 3 full levels. So it's going to be greater than or equal to 4. Alright, so that's the number of levels. Okay, no, what are the features we want? Alright, yeah, what features do we want? Feature. Well, I want to, move side to side, so horizontal movement. Move. We'll just have that. A jump. Possibly a dash. That's dash. And we could possibly see a dash. I guess we could try and have like actual collectibles. Like, would that actually work, and does it just get destroyed? Collect CA. We're gonna have collectibles CA. All right. I think we got it. I think we should start and head back into Unity and just get started. Alright, we are back in Unity, and so it looks a little different because this is a newer version. I don't remember what version I was using last time. I think it was like 2018 something. This might be 2019 now, so. But that's not really important. So what is important, what was that? What is important is, what do we do? So we first, I'm assuming we want to have some. Oh my god, bro, how do we start the 2D level? Bro, alright, so we're just going to start with creating a 2D object. Tile map. Oh god, no, I don't know how to use any of this. Tile map, sure, grid. What am I doing? Now, hold on. Let us first just get a cube. It's already centered, so our character should be able to stand on that now. All right, and then we'll just do that. Okay. Next up, let's get have that. All right. And so I think I'm gonna use a for the movement. I think I'm gonna have a rigid body. I didn't mean to zoom in. Yeah, I'm gonna have a rigid body for this. I don't rename that rigid body. That's player. Let's get back into coding. Let's get back into Visual Studios 2017. All right. So first we want to get rid of the green stuff. No one cares. System.void is not defined or imported. Huh? Okay. Alright, we're back. Oh god, bro. I literally ran into the same problem that I did episode 1. Which is where I had to go into here and change this. It was .NET Standard 2.0, and I had changed it to .NET 4.x. And that took me like 30 minutes, possibly, to just figure that out. Anyway. We pushed through. Now that we're finally in our code and it actually works, we need to, like I said, do this. And I literally went through, I thought it was this version of Unity, so I went back to a different version. That had the same problem, so I figured out that one. I wanted this new version, so I came back and got into this one. Luckily, I just had to place 2 cubes down, so we're fine. Where even were we? Movement. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Let's get the movement out the way. This video. Not public. I'm so actually like heated right now. But I digress. Alright, so here's what we're going to try. We're going to try... Alright, so... my mind is still thinking on 3D, and I'm completely confused with the coding right now. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do nothing apparently. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna close that up for a little bit. I imported this package, a free Unity asset, I don't know, it was like the first top free 2D asset one. So I'm gonna mess around with that right now. I don't know how it works, bear with me. There's the little guy, look at him. He looks so cute. He doesn't have any eyeballs because I don't know how to work the order layer order thing. So, he's eyeless right now, eyeballless. So, yeah, he's a meat boy. He's meat boy. But downgraded. Alright, so we got the player down. Let's go ahead and group these lovely lads up. Ground. I'm just going for a flat ground right now. Cause I just need to get the floor and just get the movement going. Read me, I'll read you. Alright, you're welcome. My guy doesn't have a rigid body, so he's not gonna fall. So he won't go through the ground. That's a win. That's a plus. Well, something doesn't go together. Well, all his limbs fell off. What do I do? You know what? It's fine. It's fine. That is how it's gonna work. No, it's not. We'll just get rid of his feet and arms. Now he's literally just a doughboy. There we go. Look at that. Bam. Still doesn't move. But let's get back to coding and see if we can make a move. This thing's got a demo scene. I forgot. Yeah, save my scene. Alright. Meat boy. Oh, he's actually got arms that aren't nubs. Interesting. Does the game work? No, I still gotta code it. Darn it. I was gonna be like, that's the end of the season. Alright, well, we got this level we can work with. There's even coins and everything. Interesting. What is this? I just realized I wasn't recording. Okay, so we got him to move horizontally, but he also levitates. Also, he doesn't come to a complete stop when I release, so I'm gonna fix that. But I will show you what I have so far. So, all right. So at the top, we have a rigid body 2D. And what I did is I don't know if I needed to do this, but I put I put rigid bodies and box colliders and circle colliders and capsule colliders. I put all those on all of the body parts because I didn't know if I needed to or not, so I did it. I also added it to the parent, the rigid body 2D, because I got an error when I didn't. So I added those and I got that down. And then I have a variable for speed, jump speed. We don't have the jump yet, but then I have under that a vector 2 for the velocity. Now I got another vector 2 down here, move direction, the OG, equaling a new vector 2 and having the input target axis for horizontal and the vertical to be 0 because I don't want when I press WS to go up or down. So that's that. And then under that we get the velocity. We get the velocity, which equals the move direction times the speed. Now, this normalized thing, the word right here, what it does is it basically, yeah, okay. So what it does is, so we're multiplying. Where am I? We're multiplying the move direction times the speed. So horizontal equals, when you press A, I think it's A. When you press A, it's -1, and then D, it's +1. And so when we're multiplying that by the speed, which is 10 up here, it will make it extremely fast and like probably go through our scene in like one tap. So what normalized does is it slows it down. It normalizes it. It allows it to not be as fast. Boom, normalized. Now I hope I'm not speaking out of my butthole here. Let's see if that actually, let's take off normalized. And then let's see what happens. Huh, well I'm talking about butthole, because it doesn't seem that, I mean, it seems pretty slow. But also when I put it on normalized, it seems faster than this, so... Yeah, forget what I said. I'm not having normalized on it. Oh, by the way, Blackthorn Prod, a real G. A real G in the 2D community, that's for sure. So, alright, so next up, in fixed update, which I think I've already said this in like early video, but it just deals with physics-based motion. But we have the rigid body, and then this built-in, here, let me look it up though. This built-in term move position. Yeah, okay, so I think it just basically, moves the rigid body so it actually functions, right? And actually moves. Yeah, so that's what it does. It's like the move function for the controller, except for rigid body. Or is this? It's either for rigid body or rigid body 2D, whatever. That's not the point. Anyway, we got that, and then in here we got the rigid body's position, adding it to the velocity up here, so the movement direction times the speed, and then equaling or multiplying by time dot fixed delta time. That's what I got so far. Good. I think it's swell. I mean, we got our levitating meat boy. He looks soulless, but it's fine. He doesn't need to have a heart. All right, well, let's finish this up. Let's make the movement so it's more snappy. And I don't know if I'm gonna get the jump. I'm gonna try for the jump before this video ends, but we'll see. So let's get back to it. All right, there we go. That was quite easy. There's my code. Can you tell anything that's different? Can you tell what I did to make it more snappy? Oh wait. Yes, that's right. I added raw. You see that? Look. RAW. Can you believe that? Well, there's no space, so I guess it's the same word. 3 more letters. And we got a more snappy movement. Can you believe that? I sure can't. Anyway, let's try and get the jump back. Well, not back. Let's try and get the jump in this game. Let's hope we can do it. All right, so before I even um go to starting before I go to creating the jump mm, code, I'm seeing everywhere, instead of people saying jump speed, it's jump force. So I'm just gonna say jump force. I'm joining the bandwagon, but I'm gonna capitalize my F. Perfect. All right, so I couldn't get the jump to work quite. No, I couldn't get it to work at all. But I would keep trying, but we're running a little long, so I'm gonna push this to the next video. So next video we're gonna get the jump, probably tweak the movement also a little bit more, and then we'll go from there. So I say it was a successful first episode to start off season 2. I do. So if you enjoyed, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.